Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to quickly import multiple images and generate multi-floor layouts? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. Part 1. Importing multiple floor plan images. In the Design tool, click Import to D Drawing. Select the drawings you need to upload from the pop-up panel and click Open. After uploading successfully, click Upload Pics in the lower left corner and continue uploading drawings using the same method. If you want to upload multiple drawings quickly, click Import to D Drawing. Hold down the Control key to select multiple drawings, then click Open. After successfully importing multiple drawings, check the floor level of each drawing to ensure each floor plan is on the correct level. Align the ruler with the actual dimensions on each image and verify the values in the input box to ensure the scale is correct. You need note that the dimension annotations support modifying measurement units, and you can set it up as needed. Part 2. Generating multi-floor layouts. Check Auto Generate Floor Plan and click Import to automatically generate 3D floor plans. After generation, switch to 3D mode, click Floor Navigation and select Show All Floors to view the multi-floor generation effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.